How to block spam calls on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. The phone app on an iPhone is primarily used for making and receiving calls, including cellular calls, FaceTime audio calls, and FaceTime video calls. It provides features like a keypad for manual number entry, a favorites list for quick access to frequently called contacts, and a recents list for reviewing recent calls. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Recents. Over here, you can find all your recent call logs. Tap on the Details icon beside the call you suspect to be a spam call from here. You can view the call details over here. If you want to block this caller, then scroll down to the end and tap on Block Caller. Tap on Block Contact to confirm. You have now successfully blocked this contact. You can repeat this to block other spam callers as well. Following these steps, you can easily block spam calls on iPhone.